There's a specific kind of magic in the air when you pull out of the La Paz Marina. You are leaving the colorful boardwalk behind and heading into the aquarium of the world. We are on the hunt for the biggest fish in the sea, but in Baja we do things a little differently to keep these giants safe. Before we can even enter the shark zone, we have to pull up to the Mogote Ranger Station. Every boat is strictly monitored by Mexico's Environmental Agency. They count every soul on board to ensure the bay never gets too crowded. It's a bit of a wait, but it's the reason these waters stay so pristine.
A whale shark is a shark. They say whale sharks because they're really big and they think similar to the whale.
While our guide runs through the safety brief, we're scanning the shoreline.
And you are going to start looking at the whale shark. Kind of that. If the shark that we are seeing is really fast, what we can do is just like...
The whale sharks here love the shallow, nutrient-rich waters near the El Mogote sandbar. It's a game of patience, looking for that one telltale fin breaking the glass calm surface.
It's a dark spot, so it is. It's a dark spot right there.
The first group just climbed back in, buzzing. They caught a glimpse, but now the pressure is on. You can feel the adrenaline spike as the captain kills the engine and gives us the signal to gear up. This is it. The second you hit the water, the world goes silent. Then, out of the blue-green haze, this massive star-speckled wall of a fish appears. It's hard to wrap your head around the scale. It's like swimming next to a living, breathing submarine that's completely indifferent to your existence. In La Paz, they prioritize the animal's peace over our photo ops, which honestly makes the moments you do get feel that much more earned. Back on the boat, catching our breath. You're just sitting there, salt-crusted and grinning, waiting for the rotation.
Alright, going to whale shark number 2.
Yeah, no, I will not go behind the fly.
Round 2. We're finding our rhythm now. Swimming alongside them, you start to notice the details. The way the light dances off those white spots and the massive gill slits filtering the sea. It's not a fast swim, but it's a powerful one.
How was it?
I'm probably gonna cry.
What happened?
My flipper came off, so I went back to the boat. They put me back in the water. My flippers are coming off.
I headed back in for one last look. Our guide explained that these sharks are sensitive to crowds. If there are too many bubbles or too much splashing, they'll dive deep. By staying in these tiny groups of 3 or 4, the shark stays relaxed, letting us glide just feet away from those massive dorsal fins. Nothing tastes quite as good as a boat snack after 2 hours in the salt. We are refueling on the deck, sharing the did you see that moment while the Baja sun does its thing. As if the sharks weren't enough, a pod of dolphins decided to escort us out. They were darting under the bow and jumping in our wake. It's like the Sea of Cortez just wanted to show off one last time. Even as we were powering down to leave, a final whale shark cruised by the surface to say goodbye. It's a reminder of just how dense with life this bay really is. Cruising back past the white sands and the desert peaks, you realize why people get addicted to this place. It's rugged, it's regulated, and it's absolutely spectacular. If you haven't been to La Paz yet, what are you waiting for?